This project also provides administrative services that are used by a user to control or manipulate the device remotely. For example, Aisha is logged in on the mobile device, and she would like to use the administrative services. So she also logs in the web interface. Her mobile device could be at any place. There are certain services like buddy list, where she can see who is added and who is allowed or disallowed. She can block it, delete it, or do any administrative stuff. She can also search for new friends and add them. However, the important part is the administrative panel. In this panel, there are certain administrative services that are given to her: the call history, the contacts, the server logs, and the switch off service. In the call history, she can fetch the call history on her mobile device directly through this web interface. For example, she says, I need 50 call histories from my device, and she sends a request. The device is reached by a mobile web service, and these 50 call histories are returned back. In front of every contact, there is a statistics panel button, and it shows the type of call. It is an outgoing call, this is a missed call, and this is the incoming call. For every contact, it is possible to see certain statistics by clicking on the statistics icon. She can also see who is using the AIMS project currently. So here are the statistics for contact Fahad. She can see how many total calls she had made, how many missed calls, and so on. The star in front of every contact demonstrates that the friend also uses the AIMS project. On the other hand, she can also use the contact service. This contact service allows Aisha to manage her contacts directly from the web interface. For example, she would like to fetch a particular category of contact that are starting with any alphabet. For example, starting with S, and she says, okay. This will send a request to the mobile device and fetch all her contacts back. This is done by a web service which is invoked on the mobile device. So here you see. For any contact, she can also see the call history by clicking on this icon. The plus icon indicates that she can add this contact to her AIMS buddy list directly from this web interface. And this appears only in front of the friends and contacts that uses the AIMS project. It is also possible to edit a contact by using this edit button. For example, if she clicks on the edit button, her contact details are available in this form. She can edit these details and update the contacts on the device. In addition to that, she also has the facility to see the server logs. These server logs are the activities that are being performed on the mobile device. The mobile device constantly logs the data that is being produced and the services that are being invoked. This helps to see who accesses the services and which services are accessed the most. For example, the first 20 logs are available. Here we also see that a friend Fahad tried to requested an invitation for the tic-tac-toe game. Aisha got a call log. Aisha also fetched the contacts, and so on. For every kind of call log, it is possible to see statistics. These statistics are currently very limited. However, further extensions are easily possible. Another interesting service is the switch off service. The switch off service sends a request to a mobile device, and the mobile device logs off the AIMS mobile host application. When we press OK and confirm that we would like to switch off the application, this request is sent back to the mobile device, and you see the application is locked off. This way, the control remains in the hands of Aisha.